Okay, so this is problem 32 from chapter 6 of Giancoli 6th edition. So what we have is a spring, and they give us the constant of this spring. And they say that this spring hangs vertically. Okay, so here's my spring hanging vertically. And it's next to a ruler. So let's make our ruler here. All right. And they say that the end of this spring is next to a certain mark in this spring, in this ruler, in my case 15 centimeters. All right. Then what we do is we put a mass of a certain mass now becomes attached to this spring, and as a result what is going to happen is that that spring is going to stretch. So this spring now stretches, and it's with this mass, and now it's at this position. We want to know now in the end of this motion, this spring will line up with the ruler at which point. Okay, so the question, the problem now is, what is this? Okay, so the mass is attached to the end of the spring. Where will the end of the spring line up with the ruler mark now? All right, so this spring stretches because of this weight that was added. So there is mg bringing this object down. When does it stop moving down? When it reaches an equilibrium. When this mg and the force of the spring balance each other. Okay, so the force by the spring is that kx, x being the displacement of the spring. Okay, so x here is this displacement of the spring. Okay, so that's all we have to do. We have to say that mg minus kx is equal to 0. From here we are going to get how much this spring got stretched, and we remember that what we want to know is what is this mark, what is this point here. So that point here will be 15 plus x in centimeters if this is the unit that you choose to give.